If you are wanting to learn how to tattoo, this book is for you. This is the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook, which is now available on my Amazon and Barnes & Noble author page. You can head on over to either or Amazon.com or Barnes & Noble, type in Daniel Yuck or the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook, and you will see this book pop right on up. If you are just starting out with tattooing or wanting to know more about tattooing, this book is for you. This book is jam-packed and loaded with loads of useful information, from how to deal with difficult clients, sterilization, needle depth, and so much more, everything in between. I have done an in-depth review on this book, so if you're wanting to see the book in its entirety, make sure to click the video that's carded up here, so that way you could see the in-depth review. I won't show the entire book in its entirety, as I did do that in the review. So for this video, I want to raise awareness, I want to let you know what you can expect, and I want to give you an idea as to what comes inside the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook. If I open up the book here and I take a look, you can see that I have 3 pages full of table of contents, and that they're really elaborate. It's not a small table of contents either. We have topics ranging from don't forget to keep it simple, don't be afraid to say no, never stop improving. We have voltage setting guide, how to sterilize tattoo grips, what we can and can't sterilize. We have topics going over tattoo needle anatomy, what is tattoo ink, understanding tattoo inks, and that's just on this side right here. If we're going over to the middle page right here, or to the next page rather, what is a tattoo station? Moving down, moving on up, what goes into creating clean lines. And keep in mind, I'm just skimming through here and reading the ones that come to mind here. Small amounts of ointment. What are tapers? Introduce the needle to the skin. Understand types of shading and techniques. How to apply smooth shading. And this kind of continues over here as well. So you can see that on this page, we have loads of more topics ranging from understanding packing and saturation, tattoo bundle kits, we have fake skin guide, we have tattoo ink caps, and so much more. My point is that within the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook, there are loads of various topics that are designed to help you get from point A to point B easier when you are just starting out. Everything within the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook is delivered in a fun and illustrative format, which makes learning easier and more memorable. You can see here's a page that's close up, giving you information in an illustrative manner to help get my points across. And this fun illustrative manner continues on every single page throughout the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook, making learning not only easy, but more memorable. This book is now available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. You can head on over to either or, type in the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook or Daniel Yuck, and you will see this book pop right on up. You can see loads of useful information delivered in a fun, easy to understand illustrative format, making learning tattooing not only fun, but more memorable in my opinion. In the back of the book, we get access to a tattoo supply guide as well, so if you're just starting out, you don't know what gear to get, there are pages letting you know gears and brands that I've used, QR codes that you can navigate to product pages, and you could also get a digital version of this as well, scanning the QR codes within the book. To take it a step further, at the end of the book, you can see we have an area where we can actually apply our practices using a tattoo machine and a ballpoint cartridge. So if we go over here into these practices here, you can see that we have an array of various practices, from basic lining, we have basic all the way to advanced shading, we have dot work exercises, we have realism exercises, and a bit more in between. This is all so that way you can practice right out the book. You can learn, go to the back, practice what you're learning, and then kind of repeat the process until you get to a comfortable place in tattooing. And you can see that there's textures as well. So in the back, there's also included multiple various exercises that you can practice to help further your development right out the box, or right out the book. What's cool about these exercises is that you can see we have 4 lines right here on each square. Each one of these lines, as shown over here, is going to get a slit with an X-Acto knife, which enables us to place a sheet of paper on top of the square, which means that we don't have to directly work within this workbook here, or within this book rather. So you can see I have an X-Acto, and I just simply make a slit on these 4 edges, and I did show this in my review. And then here you can see I have a square. I make another square a little bit smaller than this one, and I could just simply tuck it in over the designs, see them through the tracing paper, and then practice. So that way I can get infinite practice on demand, or I could simply practice straight into my book. If you don't want to write straight into the book, then that would be the alternative. The Fundamental Tattoo Handbook is jam-packed with fun illustrative information, making this book great for any beginner or anyone who wants to learn more about tattooing. Once again, this book is now available. It is officially released to you. You can get this book on Amazon or Barnes & Noble. I will be leaving my affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out this book on your end, or you can head on over to Amazon or barnesandnoble.com, type in Daniel Yuck or the Fundamental Tattoo Handbook, and you will see this cover pop right on up. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. With that being said, thank you for your time and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.